What is going on, Gobbler Brigade? Thank you guys so much for stopping by the kitchen today and for clicking on this video. Now, as you guys know, this is a channel to where if you want to lose a little bit of weight, get just a little bit healthier, you want that from the perspective of an actual obese person like myself, then this is a place for you. So do old Spooky a favor, take that like button out on a date to the local state fair, have some fun with that subscribe bell, show me some love. Guys, I gotta be straight with y'all. I've gotten myself into a sticky situation. How sticky, you might ask? If you said anything other than caramel rice cakes, then I'm sorry to tell you, but you was wrong. My life isn't that exciting. I wish it was, but it's not. And you guessed it, this is my recipe of the week from the Power 13 cookbook. This week I'm going over Greg Doucette's
caramel rice cake sandwiches.
Ooh, those sound delicious.
I say caramel. I mean, that's just me. Let me know down in the comment section how you guys say it. But that is what we are doing here today in the kitchen. So if you guys are ready, strap on your apron and let's get cooking.
When you feel it's hopeless, when you think that you've lost, oh, I will take your hand and we'll rise up from the dust. Oh, here we go, 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 let us heal and grow. You won't be alone, we're unstoppable. Don't be afraid to show what we're going for. This is what we know. Here we come back to life, we're still breathing.
Alright guys, this is everything you're going to need for this recipe right here. It's fairly simple. 6 caramel rice cakes, 120 grams of egg whites. Coach Greg used square pieces. I'm using dark chocolate right here. I got some bowls here. A scoop of whey protein powder, vanilla, sugar-free maple syrup, some cinnamon, some vanilla extract, and some sweetener. Hey guys, I'm going to start by making the filling first. Since it's real easy, you're going to take 1 scoop of protein powder, roughly 25 grams. You're going to put it right into the bowl, like that. Easy enough. Maple syrup. You want the maple syrup to be twice as much as your protein powder. About 35 grams is what the recipe actually calls for. Next, some vanilla extract. They call for maple, but I didn't have the maple extract, so I'm using vanilla. And then last, but certainly not least, we're going to go with 1 tablespoon of your sweetener of choice. I'm using stevia because that's what I like the best. Dump it right on in there. And once you get that in there, you're going to start giving it a mix. Now when you're mixing, you're going to have to mix a lot. I'm going to get my egg whites in the bowl over here first too. Well, that's going 120 grams. About it right there. I'm going to put these away real quick. Not good to leave dairy out for any amount of time. And a pro tip for Greg, have your pan heating up while you're putting this together, so it'll be hotter than last time. Oh man, I just had to get that one in there. Alright, I'm gonna get the mixing. And like I said, just mix away. Okay guys. Look at that. That is a sticky, gooey situation if I ever saw one. And I am not upset about that at all. Okay, now, set this off to the side. Take 2 of your rice cakes, set them down into the bowl with egg whites. Go ahead and add your cinnamon in there. A little sprinkle. Now you want these to sit in there for about 3 to 4 seconds on each side. Or 1000. Now after that, take them out, send them off to the plate on the side, and you go ahead and start with the other ones. Last 2. I got that going. So those 2 sit off to the side. Now you just basically make a sandwich out of these bad boys. Put it right on top. All that stickiness. Oh yeah. That's how we like it. I'm going to take your chocolate chips. Put them down in the middle. Or whatever other, thing you have. I thought maybe the chocolate chips might be good in here, so that's what I'm doing. Now you put the lid on them. I'm going to take them over to the pan. I got these going in the pan right here, 4 to 5 minutes on each side till they get nice and golden brown. 18 after 11, it's getting kind of late, but yeah guys, I'm going to do that, and when I come back, it's going to be time to eat. You see I got one already flipped here, and man, it really does smell like the circus in there, man. You smell freaking incredible. Ooh, one-handed flip. They kind of remind me of miniature pancakes. But look at that color, man. I think Coach Greg is going to be proud if he sees this. It is almost time to eat, guys. When I come back, it's going to be time to plate. So stay here. Don't go anywhere. Guys, these look absolutely incredible. I wish you could really smell this right now. But man, I'm kind of really blown away by this. I can't wait to eat this. Man, if you guys are finding any value in what I'm doing, please give me a like. It helps me out more than you could know. My goal is to try to be monetized by the end of this year. So with that being said, time to go give these a day in the court. I'll see you at the table. Alright guys, here we are at the table. Check these out, man. It is go time. So in 3, 2, 1, let's try these out, y'all. Woo! I was just going to pick them straight up and eat them, but I'm pretty sure nobody wanted to see that, so cheers, y'all. Got the Sprite. Man, that straight up reminds me of the Kentucky State Fair. When I was a kid, I used to go through the line, Get your candy caramel, apple. Man, maybe some one of those elephant ears. Man, talk about being in heaven. Wow. Coach Greg really got a banger here, man, let me tell you. And that Power 13 cookbook, man, it has been worth every penny I paid for it so far. You guys have seen some of the stuff I made on here. I think this is actual full recipe I've done here on this channel from the book. I know I showed something I made, but actually walking y'all through it. And the only reason why I did that is because Coach Greg already had a video on his channel where him and Allie was making these together. So
Coach Greg and Allie's still chewing, so I'm going to do the intro.
why not? And I'm glad I did. So was that a good mukbang noise? Was it legit, or do I need to quit? Let me know down in the comments. Alright, look guys, I have got a lot of good things coming down the pipeline on this channel. Me and my brothers are getting together and we are going to start another YouTube channel that I'm going to be editing and producing along with some other great people. We got some great hardcore, heavy metal sounding music that's going to be dropping in there. It's going to be a lot about mythology and that sort of thing. We done the first intro this weekend, and yeah, there's some good stuff coming down the pipeline here, guys. So I hope you guys are ready for a long haul, because I'm just getting started. I'm not going to be able to do it without you. I'm glad you guys are here for the ride. That brigade is true magic. As always, I will see you guys later. Caramel, man, I still don't freaking know.